Hello everyone. Today I'll be going over problems 14 and problem 17 of the AMC 12B 2023. So, looking at number 14, for how many ordered pairs a comma b of integers does the polynomial x cubed plus ax squared plus bx plus 6 have three distinct integer roots? So, by saying that there are three distinct integer roots, this means that all the x values are different, and if we name them alpha, beta, and gamma, then we know that all the if we multiply all of these, we get -6. So then we could kind of guess what alpha, beta, gamma is. So some orders of this could be -1, 1, and 6. It could also be, for example, -1, -1, -6, but this would not work because we have a common root, so this does not work. We could have -1, 2, and then 3. We could also have -1, -2, and -3. This multiplies to -6. We can also have 1, 2, and -3, as well as 1, -2, and 3. So this is all the possibilities we have, and this is the only way that A and B will be differ for each one. So there's total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 distinct roots. So the final answer is A. Looking at problem 17, triangle ABC has side lengths in arithmetic progression, and the smallest side has length 6. If the triangle has an angle of 120 degrees, what is the area of ABC? So let's just draw a triangle that has the angle of 120 degrees. We know that this length would be the longest, and this will be the second longest, and this will be the smallest, which is 6. And since we know that the length of this triangle is an arithmetic progression, we could simply put this as 6 plus alpha and 6 plus 2 alpha. So now, since we know three side lengths and an angle, we could use the cosine law, which is 6 plus 2 alpha squared is equal to 6 squared plus 6 plus alpha squared minus 2 times 6 times 6 plus alpha cosine 120 degrees. And we know that from our cast rule, or we could also just draw a cosine, and 120 would be here, which is -1/2. So if we expand this, 24a plus 4a squared is equal to 36 plus 36 plus 12a plus a squared. And since this is -1/2, these and these will cancel out, and this will become a plus sign. So this will be just simply plus 6 times 6 plus a. If we simplify this even further, we get a squared plus, this is 12a and this is 6a, so 18a, plus this is 72 and we have 36, so it's 108. If we move these right equation to the left, we get 3a squared plus 6a and minus 72 equals 0. If we divide both sides by 3, we get a squared plus 2a minus 24 equals 0, and this, we could easily factor this out. And since alpha is greater than 0, because 6 is the smallest, alpha is equal to 4. So now we know all the triangle lengths, 120 degrees, 6, 10, and 14. And it's asking for the area of ABC. So the area would be using the sine, excuse me, using the sine formula for the area. We get 1 over 2 times 6 times 10 times sine 120 degrees. The same as 30 times sine 120, which is 30 times, this sine 120 is same thing as sine 60, which is root 3 over 2. And our final answer would be 15 root 3, so E. So we quickly went over these two problems. I will go over more questions of the AMC 12B in 2023. So I hope you liked this video. If it was helpful, please subscribe. Thank you.